If you're looking for the best 3D printers you can actually trust, you're in the right place. Today, I've done the research for you and selected the top 10 best 3D printers available right now, based on price, performance, ease of use, and real-world use cases. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, an educator, or a professional designer, there's something here for you. All product links with the best available deals are in the description below. This list is not in any particular order, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Bamboo Lab A1 Combo. Best 3D printer overall. The Bamboo Lab A1 Combo represents what modern consumer 3D printing should look like. Fast, precise, and incredibly easy to use. This printer removes the technical barriers that once scared people away from 3D printing. Setup is almost effortless. If you can assemble a desk lamp or connect a regular paper printer, you can get this machine running. What truly sets the A1 apart is its reliability. From automatic calibration to consistent print quality, it feels refined and mature. It's designed for users who want professional results without constant tweaking. Print quality is excellent right out of the box, and the overall experience feels polished, stable, and confidence-inspiring. If you want one machine that does almost everything right, this is it. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Best budget 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE proves that budget printers don't have to feel cheap. This is one of the best entry-level machines ever made for beginners who want solid performance without overspending. At its price point, the feature set is impressive, including auto bed leveling and a reliable direct drive extruder. Unlike older Ender models, the V3 SE is beginner-friendly from day one. The on-screen guidance walks you through setup, and the machine is far easier to assemble than previous generations. It's a perfect choice for students, hobbyists, or anyone testing the waters of 3D printing for the first time. For under $200, it delivers outstanding value. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. Best 3D printer for beginners. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is designed with ease, reliability, and consistency in mind. Anycubic has built a strong reputation in the entry-level space, and this printer continues that tradition. It balances speed, print quality, and usability in a way that feels approachable even for first-time users. The design is clean and modern, moving away from the exposed DIY look of older printers. Setup is quick. Calibration is straightforward, and print results are consistently sharp. For beginners who want a smooth learning curve without sacrificing quality, this machine is an excellent choice. Simple, dependable, and beginner-approved. Number 4. Creality K1C. Best 3D printer for education. The Creality K1C is a fully enclosed Core XY 3D printer built for structured environments like schools, labs, and training centers. It arrives with everything you need to get started, including tools, sample filament, software, and clear documentation. Its enclosed design improves safety and temperature control, making it suitable for classrooms and shared spaces. The AI-assisted camera, carbon filter, and modern internal upgrades give it a professional feel while maintaining Creality's familiar ecosystem. This is a smart choice for educational institutions or anyone who wants a controlled, reliable printing environment. Number 5. Original Prusa MK4S. Best 3D printer for business. The Prusa MK4S continues the legacy of one of the most trusted names in 3D printing. Built on a proven Cartesian design, this printer prioritizes reliability, precision, and long-term usability. Prusa's commitment to upgrade paths makes it especially attractive for businesses that want future-proof hardware. Print quality is consistent, maintenance is straightforward, and support from Prusa Research remains industry-leading. The availability of affordable upgrade kits makes it a smart investment rather than a disposable machine. If uptime, accuracy, and reliability matter, this printer delivers. Number 6. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. Best 3D printer for precision. The Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo brings multi-material printing into a more affordable and accessible package. Despite its price, it offers impressive precision, stable performance, and flexible filament handling. Setup is quick, and within minutes you can be printing with confidence.
Its reliability stands out, especially considering Anycubic's track record for longevity. With the combo system, you can print multiple colors or materials without complex modifications, making it ideal for detailed projects and functional parts. A strong balance of precision, price, and features.
Number 7. Original Prusa XL. Best 3D printer for engineering. The Prusa XL is a serious machine built for serious work. Featuring a massive build volume and a true tool-changing system, it allows engineers and advanced users to work with multiple materials efficiently. Each filament has its own dedicated toolhead, enabling cleaner multi-material prints. This printer is not about speed alone. It's about control, flexibility, and engineering-grade output. It excels in professional environments where material compatibility and large format printing matter. An advanced machine for advanced users. Number 8. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. Best 3D printer for product design. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is a flagship printer that changed expectations across the industry. High-speed printing, built-in calibration, and compatibility with advanced materials make it ideal for product designers and professionals. The AMS system enables easy multicolor and multi-material printing, while the hardened components allow use of carbon fiber and engineering filaments. Setup is fast, and the printer feels refined from the moment it's powered on. Fast, precise, and incredibly capable. Number 9. Creality Hallet Mage S 14K. Best 3D printer for miniatures. For miniature and high-detail resin printing, the Hallet Mage S 14K delivers stunning results. The ultra-high resolution allows for crisp edges, fine textures, and professional quality models. Despite the higher resolution, it remains accessible and competitively priced. Its design is studio-friendly, with a solid metal body and a practical flip-top lid. Optional upgrades allow you to expand functionality as needed, making it flexible for artists and creators. Perfect for tabletop gaming, figures, and detailed models. Number 10. Elegoo Saturn IV Ultra 12K. Best resin 3D printer overall. The Elegoo Saturn IV Ultra focuses on usability rather than gimmicks. It offers fast, sharp 12K printing using standard resins without forcing users into expensive consumables. Auto-leveling, print monitoring, and a tilting VAT system dramatically improve reliability. Even the hinged lid is designed for convenience, allowing easy access with one hand. This printer feels thoughtfully engineered for real-world use. Simple, powerful, and user-focused. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best 3D printers available right now. No matter your skill level or budget, there's a machine here that fits your needs. All product links with the best current deals are in the description below. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know which printer you choose. See you in the next one.